How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Logitech G29 calibration issues. So when you encounter this problem right here, the first thing that you want to do is to just power cycle the device. Make sure that it's completely plugged off your computer, and same thing with the wall outlet or wall output. So after making sure that you have plugged everything out, you want to wait for at least 10 minutes in order to reset the circuit board of the steering wheel right here, allowing it to rest and simply recalibrate itself. If that didn't fix the problem, you want to head over to the Logitech G Hub, download the official application for our Logitech hardwares, and then after opening it up, it will then simply look something like this. Now you just want to click on the reset default settings, and then it will reset the wheel right here onto its factory, basically fixing the problem. And if a firmware update is available, you also want to go ahead and try that and see if it works. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.